In this video, we talk about home renovation projects that provide the best return on investment. Hey, what's up? I'm Mark Terbolini, and I'm all about achieving financial independence through real estate investing and online business. So if you're new to the channel and you're looking to achieve financial freedom for yourself, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below and you will not miss a thing. So if you're looking to remodel a house and you ask an average person what would be the best return on investment as far as projects, people would say generally a kitchen and bathrooms. That's going to be your best return on investment. And while that may be true in some areas, it's not generally the case, surprisingly. So in this video, I kind of want to share a resource that I found as an excellent way to find out what kind of return you can get on your investments. So we'll check it out here. So if you go to costversusvalue.com, you can find this website and you can put in your information and download a cost versus value report. And what that is basically it costs this much to do a particular project, and this is what you can expect as far as a return in the market to see if it's worth doing that upgrade, basically. So if you look on this page here, you can see a map of the US, and you can click on, areas wherever you live and get a report for that area. And down here a little bit further, you can see a national average. You can see like here, it costs an average of, $16,766 to do a wood deck addition. And the resale value is $11,038. And you can recoup about 65.8% of that if you sold the property. And this gives you a great insight into what you can expect from your projects. Now, this is great on a national scale, but it's better to know locally for your particular area. And so that's what they provide. So you can click on the map and find your area. So I have a map here for a report here for Austin. And I'll kind of scroll through to the bottom here. There's a lot of information here. We'll kind of go to the bottom. And so you can see Austin, and they have West, South, Central, and the national averages. So you can kind of compare between all of them here. And basically what you want to do is kind of, at least maybe first, try and focus on the projects that have the best ROI. So let's look at this here. So look at this one, 95% for a manufactured stone veneer. So people will pay, that ups the value a lot, is adding that stone veneer. And that may be a trend, so it's something to keep an eye on. But that seems to provide a good ROI. Another one, 91% is a garage door replacement. People wouldn't really expect that, but that's a great return on that. Let's see what else we got. A minor kitchen remodel is pretty decent, 76.1. A major kitchen remodel is actually pretty bad. It's 55.3. So you kind of want to go through and see, is it worth the time and money to do this project if I'm going to be selling it? So let's just find some of the best ones here and some of the worst ones. So we got, like I said, the stone veneer, garage door replacement, a deck addition is actually decent, 71. Minor kitchen remodel is good. And a lot of minor remodels. So like a minor mid-range bathroom model. If you go too upscale, it seems like it doesn't have that great of a return. And some of the worst ones, let's see. Grand entrance, 52%. Entry door replacement, 56%, not great. Master suite addition upscale, 57%, not that great. Bathroom addition mid-range, 54%, not great. And then you can kind of compare those to the national average and areas nearby to see kind of how it compares. But I just wanted to share this resource with you because it is a great insight into what projects are going to provide the best ROI in your area. So if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.